Today I'm replacing the blower motor on a 2017 Audi Q5. First step, open the glove box, and you're going to want to remove these screws. You need a 8mm socket, and there's a screw back here. There's a screw up here, and then there's 3 more you have to pull off. You have to release this cover right here, and there's a screw behind that. I'll pull that off in a second. And then also underneath here there's this, and then another one like that on the other side, and then you can remove this whole glove box assembly. So all you need is a 8mm socket, and I'm going to use a electric ratchet. So pull those screws off there. This panel, you just get a little trim tool, and you just get behind it, and it just pops right off. It's really easy to take off, and then you'll see another screw behind that. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, once those screws are all out, and one more screw here I didn't mention on the same right here on the other side inside the glove box. There's another one, and yeah, pull the cover off. There's that screw I was talking about there. And now the whole thing should be loose, so you can pretty much just get in here and pull it towards you. Pull the whole unit towards you. Get a little trim tool, and you can get it up here and pry down a little bit, and the whole thing will just kind of fall down out of here. I need both hands, so I'm gonna put the phone down and release this. So that's what I'll do next. All right, now with that glove box pulled down like this, you can see your blower motor is right there. You can pull this piece of foam. You could have done that earlier. There's just little, when like you're changing a pound filter, there's just little plastic things you undo with your finger here. You just unscrew them and pull that out of the way. And you have to get the blower motor resistor out of the way. It's a good chance to replace it if you think you're having a problem with it. And then just these 2 screws here, use a 5.5mm socket. Undo both of those, and then you can unplug your blower motor from the resistor, and then all you have to do is turn this clockwise, and the whole thing will just pop right out. So I'm going to undo these 2, and then I'll show you what to do. All right, with that out of the way, you can get under here and get your thumb right here where this little hook is. Push that in, rotate it counterclockwise, it comes right out. So just do the whole reverse procedure basically. Just stick it back in, turn it clockwise till it clicks into place, put the resistor back on, and reassemble. Thanks.